Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video we are going to have fun converting a Python file into exe. So this is a Python file from my Pygame tutorial. If you haven't watched that video, link is in the description. Please go and watch it. So obviously we are going to use the easiest method to convert a Python file to exe. So the easiest method is to use Pyinstaller module. So Pyinstaller is a module which converts Python into exe or to other platforms like Linux and Mac OS. So let's go ahead and install this module. I've already installed the module, so it says requirement already satisfied. So what you need to do is go to the folder in which the Python file exists and go to this area where the location is displayed and just type cmd, and command prompt opens in the exact location where you have the file. So all you need to do is just type Pyinstaller, and to ensure if it is installed or not, just hit enter. And if you get an error, not this error, if you get any other error, it means that you need to reinstall Pyinstaller. So let's say Pyinstaller, and all you need to do to convert a Python file to exe is just give the name of the file. So I am going to convert a file called t.py, and that's it. This will convert your Python file to exe. But if you want to do any adjustments, like there will be a default icon. If you want to change the icon, if you want to customize your icon, you can do that. Let's say icon equal to, and then you'll pass the location of the icon. Let's say car dot what car dot png, and there are a bunch of options, like if you want the exe file to be like only one file, or you want bunch of other files with other dependency files. So let's see what is one file, what are the advantages and disadvantages of them. So if you want to convert this exe file and pack everything into one file, you can easily send that file to your friends and anyone you want, but that file will be very slow. So, and if you are not doing that, that file, that exe file will be fast enough. So I'm not going to use that. If you want to use that, you can say one file. And if you want to look out other options, you can go to a Pyinstaller website. I'll give the link in the description where you can see all the other options. I don't want this to be one file, so I'll remove that, and that's it. You can just hit enter. Oh, you cannot give a you cannot give a png file here. You need to give an ICO file. So let's go ahead and convert this png to ICO. Now I've converted the file into ICO. So let's pass car.ico. Now if you hit enter, you need to give this after after you give the file name, then you need to give the icon. Now here this is not working because here we need to pass hyphens, so this works, and there you go. It is that file is getting converted into an exe file. Now in the folder where this Python file exists, you'll notice there are two folders which got created. Now after this whole process gets finished, then we'll have exe file in this folder. Yes, it got converted into exe. Now let's check for the file. Now there is one more option which you can use, which is window, or you can just type window. And it says that building completed successfully. Now let's go and check for the file. Now if you go to this folder which says dist, and you'll have a folder called t, which is the name of your file, and then you'll see, if you go down, the name of your application will be the same as your Python file, which is t in this case, and it says application. Now if you open it and notice that icon of this file is the same image which I passed. Oh, actually file needs this file needs so if you pass any file, like in this program I said just load this image which doesn't exist in this folder, so it cannot run. So I have moved this file again. So let's run this program, and now you see that program is working and it is fully functional. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.